Edo 2020. Make una dey neutral or una go face the law. Na Edo PDP na tell INEC and security agencies this one. Edo State Chairman for People's Democratic Party (PDP) Tony Azegbemi don tell Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and other security agencies say make dem do wetin dem don swear oath to do. If not, dem go face the law. Azegbemi tell Tori People this one for press brief wey im do on Sunday 6 September 2020 for the State Party Secretariat after the party end their 192-word campaign for Edo State. He talk say from the campaign, e show say Edo people know wetin dem want as the people give PDP 80% support and the other parties get 20%.
Edo people have clearly shown their preference for the PDP and its candidate during the forthcoming September 19th, 2020 governorship elections. From multiple opinion polls conducted by independent bodies and organizations, the PDP has the support of 80% of the electorate, while all other parties have 20%. Flowing from the above, we hereby demand, in the strongest terms possible, that INEC and the security agencies carry out their statutory responsibilities based on the oath of office they swore to, which is to be neutral. We call on the parents of all the adult staff that will be engaged in this election to call their words to order. Edo people deserve a free, fair, credible, and peaceful election. And nobody, whether in the security agencies or in INEC, will be allowed to subvert the will of Edo people.
The PDP chairman tell Tori People say the party don't do their campaign with plenty peace and love, but All Progressives Congress (APC) try to scatter the campaign for them as them attack some PDP members and destroy their property. He challenged APC or any other party to show their members where they don't attack like PDP own. He called on Edo State Commissioner of Police Johnson Kokumo to do his work, and he tell other security agencies to do the work where governments they use taxpayers' money take they pay them for.
We went about our campaign with peace and love. Unfortunately, we have to put it on record that the APC made feeble attempts to disrupt our campaigns. We have catalogued, as you can see from the boards on my right, at my back and at the left-hand side, the senseless attacks on our party members and their properties. We challenge the APC or any other party for that matter to show short evidence of their members being attacked. Gentlemen and ladies of the press, it will amaze you to know that not one person has been arrested for these attacks, for these senseless attacks on our members. If not for the strong appeal from our governor, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, you can imagine what would have become of our state if retaliation was carried out by our members. Let me warn the APC, however, that our patience is not elastic. I call on the Commissioner of Police, CP Johnson Kokumo, to rise up to the occasion. His efforts thus far leave much to be desired. I call on all the other security agencies to step up their efforts before the elections, especially on the day of election, the 19th of September 2020. They should justify the salaries they earn from taxpayers' money. On behalf of the State Working Committee and the entire membership of the PDP in Edo State, I thank His Excellency and our candidate, Godwin Obaseki, his deputy, Comrade Phyllis Schreiber, in whom we have implicit confidence, the chairman of the campaign council, Chief Dan Obi, the Director General, Osarajon Ogi, the Deputy Director General, Gideon Ikine, the senatorial coordinators and their deputies for discharging the assignment given to them by the party most honorably and efficiently.
This one are the ogbonge informator we don't carry come give on top inside Edo today. As Edo PDP don't tell INEC and security agencies to dey neutral as they don't swear oath to do am. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi.